Okay, it's 10:20 a.m. On the 14th of September. It's definitely turning up here. I don't think I can walk out because my phone will be drenched. So hopefully this is going to give you a good sense. The wind's coming in at strong gusts. It's definitely getting a lot wetter. Take a look at those pine trees over there. They're getting weighed down with water and blown around. I'm pretty sure one of them's going to be cracking soon. Storm's definitely getting a lot stronger. I don't know if you could see the clouds moving along the sky there. Let me give you a view all the way around. Debris is getting blown around a lot more. And you can certainly sense that the storm is getting closer. Now in our neighborhood, about half the people have evacuated. We chose to stay. We took precautions in the house. And we've done it a few times. And I figure I'd stick around here and capture it just so we could see it, show it to y'all. Rain still is not coming down too hard. It's just being blown around everywhere. Here comes another gust. I'll try to get some videos on the front side of the house too.